Welcome back, lawn lovers. BW here again. Hey, you remember that renovation I did last fall? It went a little like this. Of course, you can also go to my YouTube channel and watch the entire video series. Someone recently asked me how the renovation was looking this year. The backyard needs another mow, so this is a good time for me to show you how it's doing. I started way over on this side of the lawn. You've seen me mow this part before, so let's get to the renovation. Rats, the sunshine is gone now, so my stripes don't look as bright as they did earlier. So here's what it looks like now, between and around the two pine trees. It's doing great so far. It has a few thin and bare spots, and at least one area where I used too much seed and caused some overcrowding. For an easy renovation, I'm impressed with how it's turning out. Let's go back to before I started mowing, and I'll give you the tour. Let's start in this sharp little corner. This is where I used too much seed. The grass is stunted here from competing with too many grass plants in such a small area. I was worried that I hadn't given this spot enough seed when seeding, so I gave it some more. Oops. Here are some spots that didn't fill in, and a few more running right down the middle of the renovation. I was concerned that this part of the renovation wouldn't do very well. So I did some extra aeration. And this area turned out great. But there are some thin areas right here in the middle again. And another thin area along the fence, because I tried not to get any seed into the neighbor's mulch, so it looks like I was successful there. A thin spot in the shade. And this is where the rabbits have been grazing, but it's looking good now. This renovation turned out pretty well, even with some bare and thin spots. I think I'll try to let it fill in on its own over the summer, and apply some more seed in the fall if I need to. I don't need any more summer watering projects. Now get out there and have some fun on your lawn. And remember, you can do it.